Today we're going to update mDFFS to the newly released 2.0 version from the beta version. We're also going to install the admin tool. Here's the site app catalog with version 1.9.68.0 of modern DFFS, which was one of the beta versions. We're going to go to spjsworks.com and download both the 2.0 version of modern DFFS and the 1.0.1 version of modern DFFS admin. I've already done that, so we won't waste time watching me do it. Instead, we'll go directly over to the app catalog and we will upload the mDFFS 2.0. Well, we're right here, so let's do the mDFFS admin. Notice that I downloaded it and unzipped it, and this is the SPPKG file. We'll add it. It'll take a minute to upload, and then it will give us the trust dialog. Do we trust it? Yes. Make this solution available to all sites in the organization, and then we'll deploy it. So now we are at the 1.0.1.0 version of the admin tool. I will also upload the release version of DFFS. Right here, modern DFFS version 2.0.0. That was, here's the zip, and here's the folder. There's the SPPKG file. And again, it's going to present us with the trust dialog. And there's the trust dialog. Because we trusted an earlier version, it already has the check mark in the trust box. We'll deploy it. So we've now uploaded both of them, but we need to finish installing the modern DFFS. So we're going to go over to site contents. We need to create a site page for it. So I'm going to go into my site pages and create a new page, a new site page. And I'm going to get rid of that block at the top. We don't really need it. And then right here, I am going to add a new web part. And I could search for it, but by typing in DFFS, but this is what we want, modern DFFS admin. And now I'll publish that page. And I have to give it a title. So this is modern DFFS admin. And now publish the page. So you'll see now what that looks like. Let me give myself a little more room. And we can browse configs, activate DFFS, promote configs, do bulk updates, copy a list, do a remote import, set up email flows. We'll teach you all of those over some coming videos, but for now it's enough to show you how to install it.